Hey there, welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard, and today I'm coming to you on day 21 of being on the Carnival Miracle. Now, I was on the Carnival Miracle as a casino promo in Alaska. I'm going to be honest with you, there are a lot of other friends here who are on a casino promo. And I want to give you a tour of the casino. I want to talk about casino points on this cruise and everything like that. I've been on for 2 cruises. I've snooped and seen offers that people have been offered and everything like that. So let's follow along. The casino is closed because we are in the port of San Francisco, but I've spent the last 21 nights gaming here. Of note, this is a smoking casino while you are actively playing, and they do have a scratch ticket machine right there if you would like to. And something that Carnival has added very, very recently is their partnership with BetMGM. You can actually do this via the phone, via your smartphone, or you can do it via the kiosk right here, and you can do sports betting. That's been around for a couple months. I think I saw it in Celebration about a month or 2 ago, and not seen it before that. I'm going to walk through the slots, show you all the slots, just so you can see the slots that are available. I will tell you when we're going from the non-smoking section to the smoking section, show you the tables and other things that are available. So we've got the Goldfish. This is in the non-smoking section. I'll let you know when we cross over to smoking. We got more Goldfish. We have one of the Heidi good beer, Weinhosen, say hoi, hoi, hoi. Sword of Destiny. Kronos Unleashed. Wonder 4. We got, it should be, yes, Wonder 4. Yes, there's 4 machines. We got the fat little piggies. We've got the Kitty Cash game. Karma Cat. We've got extreme jackpots. We got more piggies. There's a lot of piggies. There's a lot of piggies in here. Little Shop of Horrors, you can see on the top. We've got Dancing Drums, one of everybody's favorites. It's a low bet game. You can bet for a reasonable price. And there's 4 Little Shop of Horrors. That's a little rare to see that many Little Shop of Horrors. Some more Miss Kitty with the 5 dragons in the middle. Quick Hit, which has this firecracker bonus. Just realize that this does not mean much. If these are all going like that, it's not meaning it's going to pay out. It's just meaning it wants to shake, shake, shake. Those can pay out at any time. Look at the rules. The firecrackers don't have to be filled up or anything like that. Got a bit of Timberwolf. Again, this is all still in the non-smoking section. Dancing Drums. Ultimate Firelink. And we've got Buffalo. Got 4 Buffalo machines right here. Also, these are kind of the newer upgraded machines that have, if your phone has wireless charging, you can plug in wireless charging right there. This casino does not, as of 2024, support free play. So if you have free play, you're going to go to the cage and they're going to hand you cash. That's an important factor as well. Got some more machines. One of my favorites, Wheel of Fortune. What's really cool is the casino has expanded. We're still in the non-smoking section, and we have the bourgeoisie right here, and it's expanded into the lobby. Now, right now, this casino physically does not have a bar. It's just a service in the back only. There's a service bar. But they're considering making the lobby bar into sort of the casino bar. So that's the rumors here. We've got Superstar Poker, Spin Poker, more Buffalo. Because always need more Buffalo. Some Dollar Storm, some Lightning. And this is where the casino used to end. We're still in the non-smoking section of the casino. They've got a lot of machines that they're working on fixing. I've seen a lot of them, but we've got a whole line of Golden Century. Let me know in the comments if you see your favorite game here. We got Ultimate Rise. We got some more Goldfish here at the end. And then this is the Bubble Dragon. Now, that is it for the non-smoking section. That's a pretty big selection of games for the non-smoking section. Actually, just one more little section here. Let me show you. Right here. So this is still non-smoking. Power Wheels. Power Wheels. Also, these games that make no sense. You can see right here. Yay. That's not a game. They say it's a game of skill, so it's on all the time. Not a game of luck. It's a game of luck and skill, in my opinion, because the thing only grasps down hard a portion of the time. Let's take a look at the smoking section, and then we're going to talk about, we got an elite cruise, and then the last cruise was a premier cruise. And that's something you should be very, very much aware of. We're now entering the smoking section. We've got mystery jackpot. We've got 88 fortunes, That one you can play for 88 cents. And it does, no one smoked here for like 7 hours, and it still smells like an ashtray. Sorry, if you're a smoker, I'm sorry. Not meaning to degrade you, I'm just trying to tell the non-smokers that the smoking section's bad, even when nobody's smoking. You got Genghis Khan, Spring Festival, Golden Century. You got your crickets here, but they don't have the identifier, which we talked about. Doesn't really mean anything. Chai chai for grand. So we got that one. We got some Dollar Store. As we go a little deeper here, trust me, we'll get to tables in just a moment. I do want to talk about in the middle, I want to talk about casino points and what casino points got people. But I'm showing you still the smoking section here. We got Spring Festival, a lot of Dragon Links. A lot of Dragon Links. A nice line. I think that's 12 Dragon Links. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Those are all Dragon Links. They have different names. They're all Dragon Links. You've got Magic Bubble, you got Bubble Witch, you got Potion Pays. Rich Little Piggies. Again, these are the smoking piggies. You do have one of these Huju Gai-Fi and the ultimate one. I will say they have a bank of 6 video poker machines in the smoking section and 8 video poker machines in the non-smoking section. These have normal video poker, Deuce is Wild. They even have the crazy ones where you can bet multiple lines and get benefits on, which I've not found the benefit in the long run. I am a very big video poker player when it comes to playing free play. These video poker machines do not have blackjack or roulette on them. That's important to know as well. You've got, again, a big wheel right here. You got these, which are they look like old school slots. I'll show you one that was very good to me, and I think they only have this one in the smoking section. Where are you, my friend? This one. I haven't seen this in the non-smoking section. This is the one that's very simple. So you put in $1 a spin, you're playing for the last reel. You put in $2 a spin, you're playing for those 2 reel. Not $2, $5 a spin, you're playing for that reel. And you put in, so here we go. 1 credit plays for 1 reel. 5 credits plays for 2 reels. 10 credits plays for all 3 reels. Very simple game. It pays out what it says it pays out. So you have like 0-0, it'll spin the one before it. If it lands, then you get a 1. Ta-da. Also in the smoking section, we've got Coin Trio, more Dragon Link, Diamond Fire, Quick Hit, everything like that. We've got Samurai 888. 888 is just kind of a lucky number. Wonderful collection. Like I said, they do have their 3 Wheel of Fortunes over there, right by the coin pusher, that are in the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune's my game. Why Wheel of Fortune's my game is generally the maximum payout it's going to do is $1,000. And if it does more than $1,000, it's going to pay out $20,000. So hand bays are not really necessary. But yeah, here's the trio. Well, I mean, if they're necessary, you're winning nice. See, it'll pay. Well, I like it. It pays up to $1,000. Sorry about the flashing. And then $20,000 is what it pays after that. So if you're worried about a tax form, it's a $20,000 tax form. So it makes life a little bit easier. But they also do have a smoking section of Wheel of Fortune. 3 Wheel of Fortune games over here in the smoking section. I didn't know if I happened to point them out. As well as kind of right on the aisle. I think it's marked smoking. No, these are marked non-smoking. So yeah, I mean, it literally, non-smoking to smoking is about 5 feet. When we go from a non-smoking machine to a smoking machine. So be aware, the buffer zone is not that big. Again, we've got Wheel of Fortune, we've got some Firelink, and we've got Quick Hit Platinum. Speaking of Platinum, well, not Platinum. Platinum is a loyalty tier for Carnival. Speaking of Elite, and there's no Ultra Cruise that I've been on, Elite and Premier. If you come on a cruise, and you are not booked on an Elite cruise, you're going to need a lot more points than you think you're going to need to get an onboard offer. What do I mean by an onboard offer? Those offers that come to your room on the last night of the cruise, those, I call them onboard offers or golden tickets. What those do is those will get you on pretty much any sailing. I've used them to get on to Jubilee in its 3rd week of operation. And I also just used it to book this ship again for Hawaii in September of 2024. The golden ticket gives you, balcony room and drinks for 2 people. Yes, some of you watching this, it might be big enough gamblers that that's your standard offer. My standard offer is a balcony room and drinks for 1 gambler. So you can kind of tell where I'm at. That's my standard offer, but I get across Carnival. Here they don't have digital roulette. I'm a digital roulette player. I played mostly UTH and Ultimate Texas Hold'em, 3-card, physical roulette, and I played a little bit of blackjack, which I never ever play a little bit of blackjack, but it'll just give you perspective. First cruise I had like 5,000 points. Second cruise I had like 4,000 points. I came out down like $600 in the first cruise and up like $300 in the second cruise. So yes, I went to Alaska for free. Really cost me $300 and time in the casino. Let's be honest, but that's just the way it is. UTH, Ultimate Texas Hold'em, any table game is a lot of give and take. Let's talk about table games. They got roulette, 2 nasty zeros. Also something kind of strange. Your outside bets, minimum is $10. Inside bets, minimum is $10 as well. But the minimum bet you can place is a $2 bet going straight up. So let's say you like number 33. Random number. Let's say you like number 33. Well, you can't bet on number 33 for $1. You have to bet on number 33 for $2. Be aware of that fact. Next up, we got a couple different blackjack games. This is normal blackjack. This has the kings. Then you have Fun 21. This has the kings removed in Fun 21. But they also have all these crazy things. I hit the Queen of Hearts pair, I think once while playing blackjack. I hit that $625 Queen of Hearts pair over 21 days, and I didn't play. I probably played 75 to 100 hands of blackjack. I don't play blackjack that much. They also have a $100 blackjack table, which has a shoe and not an auto shuffler. That's important. They have a $100 blackjack table, has a shoe, not an auto shuffler. UTH, my game. I made a whole video on poker, but just so you know, in Ultimate Texas Hold'em, the money is made in pocket bonus, trips plus, and that light. That's a losing proposition because of the dealer qualification. Again, I made a whole video on that. Played a little bit, a couple, maybe an hour of dice overall. I'm one of those that I want the 7 to come. Yeah, I'm the don't pass, don't come, sorry. It's true.
Hello.
That's our cruise director. So let her talk about the debarkation for a minute. Again, you got another blackjack. The blackjacks are at different numbers. Also really cool, other than this main set of tables, they also have an alternate setup right there. But you'll see we've got all these things right here. We've got Texas Hold'em, and last but not least, sorry, Leah. So she's kicking everyone out, so I got to get kicked out. I was only able to make this when the casino's closed. Also of note, if you're playing 3-card, you only have to play Pair Plus. You can play $10 on Pair Plus, and you don't have to play the game on Carnival. Remember, this ante pushes 1-to-1 if they don't have a queen or better. It means that you're going to get this back if the dealer doesn't have a queen or better in the 3 cards. Puts you between 44 and 46% chance of winning. Well, that's less than 50. You thought it was even odds. It's not. So just be aware. So what you want to bet? Do I have some casino chips on me? Maybe. I don't think I have $10 though. I have some casino chips in my pocket. You just want to put $10 on that Pair Plus bet. And that's the best way. Well, do I have $10? No. I might. I have a microphone. There we go. So you put $10 on that Pair Plus bet, then you can play that, and you're just playing for the bonus, and your odds are actually a lot better of hitting the bonus. It is literally time for me to jump off the ship. I've made a lot of content this cruise. Like I said, I got 5,000 points on the first cruise, 4,000 points on the second cruise. It is an Alaska cruise, so people are much less likely to play as much, I would think. But I was wrong. Again, first one was Premier. Second one was an Ultra Cruise. They have an Ultra Cruise coming up now, which is June 3rd. Yeah, June 3rd, 2024 is an Ultra Cruise. This is Richard from No Pants Profits coming to you from Mr. Lucky's Casino. You got any questions about the casino? I've made a lot of cool videos about the casino and stuff like that. Shoot a comment below, or you can shoot an email to nopants profits@gmail.com if it's a slightly more personal question. Again, this is Richard from No Pants Profits coming to the casino saying, hey, look, I went to Alaska for 21 days, had drinks on board for me and everything like that. I came out $200 to $300 down. I took some tip pool out of there, so that's why it's It's a little iffy there. 5,000 points the first cruise, 4,000 points the second cruise. Majority of those points were table points. This is Richard again from No Pants Profits, coming to you from Mr. Lucky's Casino, reminding you that when you wear no pants, the only thing you got left to lose is your shirt. And also, casinos, the house always wins. But if you can lose a little bit of money and get some free cruises, hey, you're doing well. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. It's Richard from No Pants Profit saying, don't lose your shirt. Bye from the Carnival Miracle in Mr. Lucky's Casino.